Welcome to our 6th standard maths class. Children, today we are going to learn about the interesting chapter, new chapter, measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is defined as the act of measuring. That means you need to measure. Otherwise, to find the actual size of something. Actual size means what? Correct size. See, we want to measure this board. Shall we measure it? Okay, if you want to measure anything means, now I am going to measure the breadth of the board. So what is this, children? This is called as a ruler, or another name is scale. So ruler means, see, in the ruler is a long size ruler also. So it about 30 centimeters is there. So I already know about it, the centimeter, millimeter, meter, isn't it? So how many centimeters there means? 30 centimeters. So if I want to measure means, I am going to measure like that one. 1, 30, 60, 90, and I have 10 also. So totally 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter means 1 meter. As we started the worldwide business, the peoples are using different measurement for their business. For example, they use king's arms and king's foot and yard. Children, king's arms means they use their arms. King's arms and king's foot. King's foot means, so yard and arms both are same only. King's foot means kaal adigal. Adu use pannirukanga. Then yard means the distance between his nose and to the thumb. The distance between his nose and to the thumb. So that only called as a yard. That is the king's arm. That only they use in the earlier days. But this measurements is very funny and is very different from one person to another person, because some persons are very short, some persons are very high. So this measurements are very different. So it was very necessary to standardize measurement. So in 1971, the General Conference of Weight and Measures introduced the standard units of measures. That is meter, kilogram, meter, gram, seconds, liter, so etc. So meter, millimeter, gram, kilogram, seconds, liter. I just write one or two only. So on. So they only introduced like that. Basic metric units, and universally these measures are accepted as the standard measures. Okay. So in these measures, among the size wise they will differ. See, the large one means kilometer, kilogram, kiloliter, and medium ones means meter, gram, liter, and small one means centimeter, centigram, centiliter. Very small ones means millimeter, milligram, milliliter. Children, you know that in kilometer, kilogram, kiloliter is very highest one. Is a very large one also. This very large one also. When you buy something large means we will use this measurement, isn't it? So when you go for this, Chennai, Trichy means you will use kilometer, and a kilogram is when we buy is lot of things means this is kilogram, and a liter, kiloliter also we will use oil, kiloliter, 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liters. That is called kiloliter. Okay. So 10 liter, 20 liter means is a kiloliter only. Then medium ones we will use in the day-to-day life Meter. If you want to buy any cloth means we use meter, isn't it? Gram is when we buy a jewel. Jewels means we use grams, isn't it? And liter, when we use milk something or milk or oil means we use liter. Next, the small ones. Small ones means it's very very small, not a small ones. Small one is centimeter. Centimeter means you see when we use scale size anything means we use centimeter. Centigram. Centigram is very small only. Centigram and centiliter. Centiliter in our day-to-day life we not use it like this. For these centigram and centimeters is it in the tablet like that only we will use it. And very small ones means milliliter. Millimeter means very very small one. So when we use measure, we need measure very small one means we need millimeter, milligram and milliliter. Also they introduce the kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. This in day-to-day life we are using this only. So this using for length to measure the length. And kilogram, gram and milligram. These for weight. And kiloliter, liter and milliliter. These for volume. Okay children, see. So in day-to-day life we are using this measurement as in our life. Let us see this table, metric unit table. Metric unit table. This is very important table and very interesting also. Already told now. See here I draw 7 columns. So in middle column only see. So what color I am going to draw? I wrote here blue color. So that means this measurement is the medium measures. The other 3 are smaller measurement and these 3 are higher measurement. Okay, this is a smaller and this is a larger measurement. All the measurements are based on the decimal system. So decimal system is by 10 only. So after that we will see that. See first of all see what are given here. What are the higher measurements? First 3 kilo, hecto, deca. So all are kilo, hecto, deca, kilo, hecto, deca. So meter for length means we will use meter. For weight means we will use gram. For capacity or volume means we will use liter. Okay. So this next small measurement deci, centi, milli. Decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So in short form how do we write it? See. Kilometer means km, kilogram is kg, kiloliter means kl, isn't it? And hectometer means hm, and hectogram is hg, hectoliter means hl, and deca means dag, small d one here should. DAG and DAL, decaliter. And this only you know that m, small g and small l. Okay. So deci, see here also those 2 this is very different only. Deci means you should only dm, decigram, deciliter. And centimeter, cm, cg and cl. And what it is? Millimeter, mm, mg and ml. Already you know that ml is a very smaller one. So when we take a tablet or whatever it is, no, the tonic means you should use ml to drink. 10 ml, 5 ml, they put it like this, no. So that is a use of ml. This is very very smaller one. So these are based on the decimal number. For example, already told in your scale, they see. Did you see us Could you see this in your scale or ruler? So what it is? Each and every small length is called as a millimeter. Millimeter. So how many millimeters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is big one is 5 millimeter. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter. So in the scale, if you put 1 means it is called 1 centimeter. So 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter make 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter make 1 meter. Okay? See? 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter make 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter make 1 meter. So again 10 meter make 1 decameter. 10 decameter make 1 hectometer. 10 hectometer make 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. Okay. So if you say same like this only, 10 milligram make 1 centigram. 10 centigram make 1 decigram. 10 decigram make 1 gram. 10 gram makes 1 decagram. 10 gram makes 1 hectogram. 10 hectogram makes 1 kilogram. In milliliter means 10 milliliter make 1 centiliter. 10 centiliter make 1 deciliter. 10 deciliter make 1 liter. 10 liter make 1 decaliter. 10 decaliter make 1 hectoliter. 10 hectoliter make 1 kiloliter. This is a very easy one also. Next, if you want to convert from higher unit to lower unit means, or lower unit to higher unit means, see what is the biggest highest unit is what? Kilometer, isn't it? So 1 kilometer equal to how many hecto? If they are asking like this means, so what is given here? 10 only, no? So 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer. If they are asking decameter means 1 kilometer equal to how many decameter means, you should see this. You just multiply this to 10 tens are 100. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 into 10, 100 decameter. See, 100 decameter. So 1 meter equal to how many 1 kilometer equal to how many meter means, you should multiply this 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So if you want to convert the higher unit to lower unit, you should multiply the decimal system. Okay, what is it? By 10 into 10 into 10. Otherwise, so here among these 4, meter is a bigger one, a gram is a bigger one, liter is a bigger one. So if they given like that means, so now I'm going to ask 1 meter equal to how many decimeter? What is given here? 10. So 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. Okay. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? So here how many tens are there? 2 tens are there. 10 into 10, 100. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So if you ask millimeter means 1 meter equal to how many millimeter? How many millimeter? How many tens are there? 3 tens are there. So 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. So 1000 millimeter equal to 1 meter. So 1000 milligram equal to 1 gram. 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. Okay. So if you want to convert the higher unit to lower unit means, you should multiply the decimal system, decimal numbers, decimals. Okay. So otherwise, if you ask lower to higher means, if you change and convert into lower to higher means, what is the opposite of multiply? Divide. So you should divide the numbers. You should divide the number by tens. Tens are divide. See, already studied in the 5th standard also. We will recall the portions only. So for length, weight, volume or capacity. Length and mass, both are same only. If you ask mass means the same, gram. If you weight only. Okay. So 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter equal to 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter equal to 1 meter, 10 meter equal to 1 decameter, 10 decameter equal to 1 meter, 1 hectometer, 1 hectometer is equal to 1 kilometer. So same like that only. See here whatever is m for, instead of m you should write g like that. See deci, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram, centiliter, milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter, decaliter, hectoliter, kiloliter. Okay children, please bifurcate this table. If you want, already told, if you want to convert this is the higher one, isn't it? Kilometer is higher one. So 1 kilometer equal to how many hectometer? 10 hectometer. If you ask 1 kilometer equal to how many decameter means, see how many decameter means, hectometer means 10 hectometer. How many decameter means how many tens are there? 10 tens are 100. So 10 tens are 100. 100 decameter equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter means 1, 10, 10. These 3 tens are, you just multiply this 3 10 and to this one. So 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are 1000. 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Okay. Okay. So if you are asking like this, 1 meter equal to how many decimeter? 10 decimeter make 1 meter. How many centimeter means 10 tens are 100. 100 centimeter make 1 meter. So 1000 millimeter, 10 into 10 into 10, these tens are 1000 millimeter make 1 meter. Okay, among these 3, this one is bigger one. Okay, so that's like that one. All the tables be like that only. Please understand and bifurcate the table again and again. You write and bifurcate it. Otherwise, you cannot do this sum easily. If you bifurcate it easily, I already told you whatever is the short form I told you, you just use it and do the sums very well. So shall we see the next one? For length, 1 kilometer equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Okay. So if for kilogram, 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. For volume, 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Please bifurcate this, otherwise you can't do the sums easily. Okay, all should bifurcate. See the sum. This is a very important one. Multiply 345.972. After the decimal, you should don't read the number. You should say separately only. 972. Now it's 972 by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So how do we multiply this? See, I am going to do it. 345.972 means. See, into 10. Into 10 means, see this, see into 10 means, when you, whatever you multiply by 10, you will get the same answer. At last you should add 1 0. How many zeros are there? 1 0. So 3, 4, 3 9, 7, 2 and 0. So see this, how many decimal numbers are there? After the decimal, how many digits are there? 3 digits now. So from this only 1, 2, 3, you should put point between 9 and 7. That means if they are asking by 10 means this 9 will go to this one's place. It move to one's place. Okay. So the same one, 45 by 972 into 100 means. So how many digits will move to this place? 2 digits, because 2 0 means it will move 2 digits. So you should write 34597.2. Okay, I wrote. If I put 1 0 means only one's place, this one number will go to that side for one place. That's a 2 0 will come means this 2 number will go to this place. So the point will come here. If asking 345.972 into 1000 means how many digits will go this side? 3 digits will go that side only. So the number will come like this only, 345.972 point. There is after the number there is no digit, decimal will not come. So this is the answer. By 10,000, if asked by 10,000 means 345.972 972 into 10,000. So how many digits will go to that side? 4 digits, but here only the 3 digits are there. So you should add one zero to that side. So 3, 4, 5, 9, 7, 2. So 3 digits only will go that side. So one more digit, what? 0. So you add 0 at last. Okay. So this is the rule for when you multiply or decimal number with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay children, let's see the next one. Now let's see this. Divide 647.39 by divide the decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 means. How do we do the sums? Already told, if I multiply means this decimal numbers will go to the right side. We have to move to right side of the number, given number. 1's place, 2's place, isn't it? So divide means is the opposite. For example, I am going to take the first one, 647.39 by 10. By 10 means here the 1's place, this 1's place, not this decimal number. Here's by 10 means this only 10. Okay. So this number will move to left side to the number. So if you move to this side means this number move to this side means 640. What's the number will come? 640, 67, 64.739 is the answer. You should move the 7 to left side. Okay, next is 647.39 by 100 means how many place we need to move to the right side? 2 zeros are count means 2 digit you should move to right side. So if you move to, what is the 2 digit? 7 and 4. So the answer will come, the decimal will come here only 6.4739. Okay. So the next one, 647.39 by 1000. 1000 means how many sides we need to move? 3 digits we need to move to right side. So after that there is nothing will not come. So the decimal comes to here only. So 0.64739. Okay. Why I put 0 means there is nothing not for whole number. These are not decimal number. So before on the decimal what is comes here, whole number will come. So whole number is not there. So you put 0 for that. Okay. So 647.39 by 10,000 means. So how many digits we need to move to that side? 4 digits, but here only 3 digits are there. So you should add one more digit, that is 0. If you nothing is not there means you put 0. So 0.0647. See, if you add 0 means you are putting 4 digits. 40. Next whatever given you just write it. This is the answer. Okay children, I understand. I think all understand this. It's very important and easy only. If they given like that in questions means you should easily do the answers. Okay, let us see the next one. Okay children, let us see this question. Convert the following. 23 kilometer into meter. So we need to convert kilometer into meter. Already told. So kilometer is a higher unit, meter is the smaller unit. Okay. So if you move to higher to small, that means you should multiply the number. First of all, you should write how many kilometer, how many 1 kilometer equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. Isn't it? This is the formula. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So therefore 23 kilometer equal to into 1000. So what will come? Yeah, 23 into 1000, 23,000. That's all. Isn't it? So 1 kilometer, 23 kilometer equal to 1 meter. If you need to higher to lower, you should multiply the number. Okay. So 23 kilometer equal to 1000, 23,000 meter. Okay, next 1.78 meter into centimeter. So here if you compare to meter and centimeter, meter is the higher one. Already told, if you change higher to lower means you should multiply. First of all, you find out the formula. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? How many centimeter? 1000 centimeter, isn't it? So 100 centimeter, sorry. So 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So therefore 1.78 meter into 100 equal to, okay, I already told no. Into multiply means what you to do? We should move this 2 decimal to left side. So 178 centimeter. See 178 will come now. This is centimeter. So how many digits after decimal? How many digits are there? 2 digits. So 1, 2. After you put 0, put point. After 0, after decimal, if you come 0 means you no need to write again. So the answer is 178 centimeter. 1.78 meter means 178 centimeter. This is the answer. So this is the rule. This is the rule. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, let us see the next one. Okay children, let us see the next one. 6.5 kilogram into gram. So kilogram is the bigger one, gram is the smaller one. First of all you should write the rule. 1 kilogram equal to how many gram? 1000 gram, isn't it? So therefore, so higher to, if you convert higher to lower means you should multiply the number. So 6.5 into 1000 gram is equal to, so how many zeros are there? So 6, 5, 3, 0, you should write 3, 0. So how many, after the decimal, how many zeros are there? Only 1. So from this you should put 1, 0. After decimal 0 will come means you need not to write it. So the answer is 6,500 gram. 6,500 gram. So here to 723 gram into milligram. So 1 gram equal to how many milligram? 1000 milligram, isn't it? 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. Listen, how I write this now? I already wrote the table now. So like this only I just multiply the number and then write. So 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. Therefore 723 gram equal to 1000 equal to 72330 gram. Okay children, let us see the next one. 1250 millimeter into meter. Millimeter into meter. Here the smaller unit to higher unit. Okay. So first of all you should write how many millimeter make 1 meter. So already told 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. So 1 millimeter equal to, if you bring to this side means 1 by 1000 meter. This is a rule. Okay. So if you change as to higher to lower to higher means you should divide the number. So 1250 by 1000 into 1 means 1000 means we should cross 0 by 0. So after what will come? 125 by 100. By 100 means, that is divide means already told no how to divide the number. If we divide means after 2 digits will come to this side. So the answer is 1.25 meter. Okay. The next one, 1000 ml equal to 1 liter. So already told 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So 1 ml equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So therefore 1500 ml equal to by 1000 means how many? 1, 2, 2 zeros are cancelled, 2 zeros are cancelled. Remainder 15 by 10. 15 by 10 means you should move 1 decimal to that side. So the answer is 1.5 liter.